Hi, welcome to your virtual Meet the Teacher night. I'm Ms. McCauley, and I have your student for Level 2 Chem this year. So I just want to take some time to introduce me and go through some of the online resources and Google Classroom stuff that we have. So I'm Ms. McCauley. I've been teaching chemistry at the high school for 5 or 6 years now. And here's a picture of my two corgis, Pickles and Ollie, and they have a message for you. So we really want to focus on safety this year. So they're reminding you that the mask you wear protects others, and the mask that others wear protects you. So please wear your mask. So in Google Classroom, I have it set up so I have two separate sections based on your last name. The reason I did that is so that I can try and eventually get all of the due dates sorted out. So if we continue to have the AB day schedule, it'll be easier for your child to see what's due on what day. So on the homepage on the stream, every week I'm going to post some Google slides. I'm going to always work hard to keep those moved and pinned to the top. So when you look at that, if you click on it, it's going to go through and it's going to show you what our plan is for that week. So for example, if you're in the B group, it will tell you what your in-person days and what your virtual days are, and it will give you a breakdown and tell you what we're doing on each of those days. So it'll say, here's what we plan for Tuesday and Wednesday when you're online. And if you're in the A group, I have a different setup for that. And so I'll keep that pulled up to the top. And that's a good first place to start because it's going to tell you, here's what I'm doing this week, and here's the expectations that I should be working through. So you can see the A group, they've got flipped days, and then they have different expectations for their virtual learning days. The stream gets a little cluttered because every time I post an assignment, it just goes to the stream. That's where I also will post announcements. Under the Classwork tab, this is where you want to go for your virtual days. So here I can organize and post things in order. So for this week, your student was working through Chapter 1 Matter, and for chemistry, we're doing a flipped classroom, and that means that at home on their virtual days, they're going to be watching my video lectures and doing an end puzzle assignment, which is kind of ask them a few questions as they go through the video for a comprehension check. After each lecture section, there's a really short objective check quiz. It's like 1 or 2 questions, and it's a good comprehension check. So these we allow retakes on. And so what we're going to try first is if you want to retake an objective check, on Fridays, I'm going to post the other form, the alternate form, and it will be an optional Google Classroom assignment where I'll keep your highest score. So that's a little bit about how Google Classroom works, and we'll keep working together and getting feedback and figuring out what works best. Another cool little feature is when your student goes to Google Classroom, they have a nice little upcoming tab here, and it tells them what's due today and the next couple days. There's also an option to click on calendar, and this will pull all of their due dates together here. I know it might be a little overwhelming at first, but we'll work together to figure it out. And I'll try and keep posting reminders and making sure that we help support everyone best that we can. So it's great meeting you. Make sure you email me if you have any questions. You can find my email on Progress Book. You can find my email on Google Classroom, I believe. And if you look up at the wall behind me, my email's right up there. Bye.